Hello students, hope you all are doing well. As we are studying the 7th chapter of maths, which is fraction, we'll be discussing the next exercise, which is introduction to addition and subtraction of fraction. So far in our study, we have learnt about natural numbers, whole numbers and the integers. In the present chapter, we are learning about fractions, a different type of numbers. Whenever we come across new type of numbers, we want to know how to operate with them. Can we combine and add them? If so, how? Can we take away some numbers from another? That is, can we subtract one from the other? And so on. Which of the properties learnt earlier about the numbers whole now? Which are the new properties? We also see how these help us deal with our daily life situations. Look at the following examples. A tea stall owner consumes in her shop 2.5 liters of milk in the morning and 1.5 liters of milk in the evening in preparing tea. What is the total amount of milk she uses in the stall? Or Shekhar ate 2 chapatis for lunch and 1.5 chapatis for dinner. What is the total number of chapatis he ate? Clearly, both the situations require the fractions to be added. Some of these additions can be done orally and the sum can be found quite easily. Adding or subtracting like fractions. All fractions cannot be added orally. We need to know how they can be added in different situations and learn the procedure for it. We begin by looking at addition of like fraction. Take a 7x4 grid sheet. The sheet has 7 boxes in each row and 4 boxes in each column. How many boxes are there in total? Color 5 of its boxes in green. What fraction of the whole is the green region? New color another 4 of its boxes in yellow. What fraction of the whole is this yellow region? What fraction of the whole is colored altogether? Does this explain that 5 by 28 plus 4 by 28, which is 9 by 28? You can see which all boxes are here are colored. Obviously, you can see there are 9 boxes out of 28 boxes are colored. So this is all about adding of like fractions. What do we learn from the above example? The sum of 2 or more like fractions can be obtained as follows. Step 1. Add the numerators, then retain the denominator. Then write the fraction as result of step 1, then result of step 2. Let us add 3 by 5 and 1 by 5. We have 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5. As per the step 1, we will be adding the numerator 3 plus 1 and we will be retaining the denominator, which is 5. So answer will be 4 by 5. Now, what will be the sum of 7 by 12 and 3 by 12? You can see 7 and 3 are different and 12 is common. So we'll be taking denominator as same and 7 plus 3 is 10. Look at more examples. In figure 7.14, we have 2 quarter parts of the figure shaded. This means we have 2 parts out of 4 shaded or half of the figure shaded. That is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is 1 plus 1 by 4, which is 2 by 4. And when we simplify that one, we'll get 1 by 2. So in next figure, you can see 1 by 9, 1 by 9, 1 by 9. When we add, we will be taking common of the denominator, which is 9. Then when we add 3 times 1, we'll get 3 by 9, or the answer will be 1 by 3. Find the balance. Sarmila had 5 by 6 part of a cake. She gave 2 by 6 out of that to her younger brother. How much cake is left with her? A diagram can explain the situation. Note that here the given fractions are like fraction. We find that 5 by 6 minus 2 by 6, 5 minus 2 by 6 will get 3 by 6 or 1 by 2. Is this not similar to the method of adding like fractions? You can see in figure 7.15 how the operation had been done. Thus, we can say that the difference of 2 like fractions can be obtained as follows. Subtract the smaller numerator from the bigger numerator, retain the denominator. Write the fraction as result of step 1, then result of step 2. Can we now subtract 3 by 10 from 8 by 10? Clearly, 8 by 10 and 3 by 10, they are like fractions, so the result will be 8 minus 3 by 10, which is 5 by 10 or 1 by 10. We have learned to add and subtract like fraction. It is also not very difficult to add fractions that do not have the same denominator. When we have to add or subtract fractions, we first find equivalent fractions with the same denominator and then proceed. What added to 1 by 5 gives 1 by 2. This means subtract 1 by 5 from 1 by 2 to get the required number. Since 1 by 5 and 1 by 2 are unlike fraction, in order to subtract them, we first find the equivalent fractions with the same denominator. These are 2 by 10 and 5 by 10 respectively. This is because 1 by 2 is equals to 1 into 5, 2 into 5, which is 5 by 10, and 1 by 5 can be explained as 1 by 2 and 5 by 2, 2 by 10. Hence, both the digits are now like fraction, therefore 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5 can be written as 5 by 10, 2 by 10. So 5 minus 2 is 3 by 10. Note that 10 is the least common multiple of 2 and 5. Example, subtract 3 by 4 from 5 by 6. Solution, we need to find equivalent fraction of 3 by 4 and 5 by 6 which have the same denominator. This denominator is given by the LCM of 4 by 4 and 6. The required LCM is 12. Therefore 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4, we can write it like 5 into 2, 6 into 2, minus 3 into 3, 4 by 3. By this we will be getting the same number, which is 12. 10 by 12 minus 9 by 12, 1 by 12. Example number 9, add 2 by 5 to 1 by 3. The LCM of 5 by 3 is 15. Therefore 2 by 5 and 1 by 3 can be written as 2 into 3 by 5 into 3 plus 1 into 5 by 3 into 5. Hence we'll get 6 by 15 plus 5 by 15. When we add these two digits, we'll get 11 by 15. Example number 10. Simplify 3 by 5 minus 7 by 20. The LCM of 5 and 20 is 20. Therefore 3 by 5 can be written as 3 into 4 by 5 by 4, 5 into 4, and 7 by 20 will remain same. So 12 by 20 minus 7 by 20. The answer will be, we'll take the denominator same 20. 12 minus 7 is 5 by 20 and the answer will be 1 by 4. How do we add or subtract mixed fraction? Mixed fractions can be written either as a whole part plus a proper fraction or entirely as an improper fraction. One way to add or subtract mixed fractions is to do operations separately for the whole parts, and the other way is to write the mixed fraction as improper fraction and then directly add or subtract them. Okay, let's take an example. Add 2 upon 4 by 5 and 3 upon 5 by 6. So 2, as per the first process, the solution will be like 2 4 by 5 and 3 5 by 6 is equal to 2 will be separated, then 4 by 5 plus 3 5 by 6. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Then we add 4 by 5 and 5 by 6. Now the LCM of 5 by 6 is 30. So we have 4 by 5 and 5 by 6. 4 by 5 can be written as 4 into 6 by 5 by 6 plus 5 into 5 by 6 by 5. The answer will be 24 by 30 plus 25 by 30. Again, when we add these two digits, we'll get 49 by 30. So 49 also can be written as 30 plus 19, which is 30 by 30 can be written as 1 plus 19 by 30. Thus we were having 5 plus 4 by 5 plus 5 by 6. So answer will be 5 plus 1 plus 19 by 30, which is 6 19 by 30. So 6 19 by 30. And therefore 2 upon 4 by 5 and 3 upon 5 by 6 can be written as 6 upon 19 by 30. Can we find the other way of doing this sum? Find 4 2 by 5 minus 2 1 by 5. The whole numbers are 4 and 2 and the fractional numbers are 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. Can we subtract separately? Note that 4 is greater than 2 and 2.5 is greater than 1 by 5. So 4 2 by 5 minus 2 upon 1 by 5. 4 minus 2 will be taken separately. Then 2 by 5 and 1 by 5 can be taken separately. So 2, 1 by 5. The answer will be 2 upon 1 by 5. Simplify 8 upon 1 by 4 minus 2 upon 5 by 6. Here 8 is greater than 2, but 1 by 4 is smaller than 5 by 6. We proceed as follows. We will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. When we convert, we multiply 8 into 4 plus 1 by 4. The answer will be 33 by 4. And 2 upon 5 by 6 can be written as 17 by 6. Now 33 by 4 minus 17 by 6. The LCM of 4 by 6 is 12. So when we simplify that one, we got 33 into 3 by 12 minus 7 into 2 by 12. 99 minus 34, which is 12. 65 by 12. When you simplify that one, you will get the mixed fraction of 5 upon 5 by 12. So this is the process to simplify the mixed fraction, the addition and subtraction of mixed fractions.